In the unfathomable silence of deep space, where no sun shines and no planet spins, something moved. It wasn't drifting like debris or gliding like a comet. This was movement with intent. And it was detected not by a billion-dollar observatory, but by one of humanity's oldest messengers, Voyager 2. Launched in the 1970s and now far beyond the solar system, the probe has recorded something so strange that scientists are questioning the very framework of astrophysics. Voyager 2 didn't just capture noise. It caught an anomaly, an object or entity moving with rhythm, almost as if aware. It began as a low-frequency pulse, then irregular flickers, then a sustained pattern. Crucially, this wasn't within the heliosphere, where solar winds caused turbulence. It was beyond the heliopause, in the interstellar void, where space should be quiet and featureless. Like hearing a whisper in the desert, it stood out immediately. Astronomers eliminated familiar causes. No asteroid belts, no comets, no dust clouds. Whatever this was, it shifted direction, altered frequency, and seemed to react to Voyager's orientation. The behavior resembled scanning, like a probe surveying its surroundings. Yet no known propulsion could explain motion in such an empty region. It left no radiation, no exhaust, nothing detectable, only a pattern of pulses, bursts of energy separated by silence, almost like Morse code. The possibility of artificiality began circulating. Could this be a construct, ancient and drifting? Or perhaps a reconnaissance device cloaked in the void? Others tried a natural explanation, suggesting a plasma cloud with feedback loops imitating intelligence. But even that stretched physics. The fact remained, this object didn't fit any category in science. Location made the mystery deeper. Voyager 2 is passing through the local interstellar cloud, an area so sparse that even a few atoms per cubic centimeter is considered dense. For something to move there with purpose, it must generate its own energy or surf currents we don't yet understand. Stranger still, the trajectory wasn't straight. It curved, dipped, and paused, like course corrections. If random, it would have been chaotic, not deliberate. Some theorists even suggested Voyager had triggered a sensor field, waking something dormant until now. Then came the numbers. Within its movements were repeating intervals, clusters of prime numbers, 3, 5, 7. Signal processing confirmed harmonics resembling structured transmissions, eerily similar to quantum communication tests. This wasn't chaos. It was code. And in physics, when code appears, something intelligent is at work. Archived telemetry deepened the puzzle. Pioneer 10 decades earlier experienced unexplained trajectory drift. New Horizons logged sensor glitches near the same region. Viewed alone, they were anomalies. Viewed together, they form a chilling timeline. Something may have been following us quietly all along. On the 49th day of observation, the object stopped. Not slowed, stopped. Then it spiraled in a tight figure, the same maneuver engineers used to calibrate orbiting observatories. Finally, it emitted a sharp low-frequency pulse so precise it triggered Voyager's ancient safety protocols. The probe realigned its dish, and the signal ceased. The implication was unnerving. Perhaps Voyager hadn't just observed. Perhaps it had answered. Theories are now divided. Some cling to natural phenomena, others see signs of a gatekeeper, a sentinel left to monitor who crosses a particular corridor of the galaxy. The prime number codes, the adaptive movements, the calibration like spiral, these are not the behaviors of chance. They suggest observation. Some even compare it to theoretical von Neumann probes, machines left to watch civilizations evolve. If true, Voyager 2 has stumbled not upon a rock or plasma cloud, but a watcher. A construct placed in the quietest stretch of interstellar space, waiting for something to cross its field. And perhaps our little probe did exactly that. For decades, we believed Voyager was our lone ambassador, drifting endlessly with a golden record as our message to the stars. But now it seems that message may not have gone unnoticed. The silence of the cosmos has blinked, and something has looked back. The question is no longer what we found. The question is what happens next.